Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode of Keigo Moriyama Photography, and this is a week full of leaks because DJI leaks of the action camera, the OSMO ACTION, is finally online. So there is an event from DJI on May 15 at 9 AM EST where they're going to present a new product. If we are going to read the title, it says "Unleash Your Other Side," and there were lots of speculation about what kind of product is going to be. It can be the new drone, or it can be an action camera. It can be something that can be used under the water. But as you can see, well, it's an action camera. Lots of new images came out, and we will have this camera with, seems like, double screen that will help, especially vloggers when they have to take video of themselves with this action camera, and it will use the same sensor of the DJI OSMO Pocket, that is the Sony IMX377. It's a 12 megapixel CMOS image sensor, and is 2.3 third size. Unfortunately, it's not bigger than that, but we know that if it is 1 inch, probably there is the issue with the heating of the sensor itself. Then it will use an Umbrella H2 image processor. The lens will be 145 degree 2.8, and seems like probably the lens itself can be removed and changed in case of some scratches, and we know that for an action camera this is a big issue. Who knows if probably it will also allow to install some other additional accessories, or no, we don't know that. The shutter speed will range from 8 thousandths of a second to 120 seconds, and we know that because it's using the same sensor of the DJI OSMO Pocket, it will be able to record 4K in 60 FPS with 8 times slow motion, and will be able to record 1080p to 120 FPS, and HDR and automatic time-lapse photography. Also, as a shooting mode, we will have single IEB, continuous shooting, countdown shooting, multiple continuous shooting, and interval shooting. So the price should be at $399, so it's kind of affordable, and as I said, this camera can be used underwater without any case, so the same as the GoPro 7. So is this the GoPro 7 killer? It depends. We don't know more details of that, so we need to really understand if it's worth or not. Price range, of course, is competitive, so this is one point, but it's the first action camera from DJI, so we don't know exactly how it will be. But again, if you have a GoPro 7, probably still doesn't work to change it. We don't know in terms of stabilization how it works. We know that for GoPro 7 the level that they reach is really high, but if this action camera will not be able to replicate the same quality, I don't feel like there will be lots of people that will move to this one, especially considering that the DJI OSMO Pocket that I'm using itself is a really good camera. Of course, it cannot be always used as an action camera, especially considering that you can't go underwater with it, even if DJI said about a case that unfortunately never came out into the market. But again, if the stabilization level now is not good, I don't feel like this OSMO Action will be a GoPro killer at all. It's interesting to see how the market itself is changing, evolving, and try to use the action camera also for vlogging itself. We saw the Sony RX02 that has the back screen that can flip up, so to facilitate if people has to take vlogging. We have the OSMO ACTION with this double screen that will probably, the front one be color one, so will help for framing. And who knows, probably in the next GoPro 8 we will have something similar, because seems like this is one of the main trend so far. So still a few days as of today till the DJI event will show this OSMO ACTION. And let me know in the comment below if you feel like you will be one of the buyers of this camera, if you feel like this is a good step from DJI, or if they instead has to keep focusing on something different, like the drones or this gimbal itself, like the OSMO Pocket. And let me know if for GoPro it will be a serious problem or not. That's all for me, and another quick video. Thank you for watching. Remember to share, and until next time, as usual, stay click. Bye.